Good evening and welcome to the October video newsletter. Sorry it's been a little while since I've hit y'all with a newsletter, but it is now fall. Happy fall. And as we all have seen, the grass has slowed down just a bit. It's still growing really good. My grass is still just as green as it can be, and a lot of our clients' grass is still very green, still growing pretty good. It is slowing down a bit, and we will start to see the grass cut off entirely after the first frost. So we'll continue to cut. We recommend that we continue to cut through the first frost. After that, we'll do one cut just to get everything nice and smooth, and you'll be set up for the winter. It'll have that smooth look in the winter. That way we don't run into a lot of issues in the spring where the grass is growing up way too tall. And we have problems in the spring getting it back down to where it needs to be. So it's recommended that we cut, through that time, like I said, so we don't cause problems. So that'll be the plan for this fall as far as the cutting schedule. There will be leaves. Any leaves that are on the ground. So like I've got maple leaves underneath that maple tree. Any leaves that are on the ground we'll be picking up or blowing and getting off the property. We're getting into the time to install annuals. So we have, if you've got an annual bed, you like annual color, pansies are a great thing to put in the winter time to install. It's gorgeous color through the winter. Just be perfect for setting off the dull winter brown and grays. Any planting that you'd like to do over the off season is great to do in the fall. If you've been wanting to modify your landscapes whatsoever, it's a great time to do that is the fall, because you're able to get a head start on root development during that time, during the dormant months. So if you've been wanting to get some plants in the ground, some new plants, then we'll definitely be happy to chat with you about those options. Fences, we have just started doing fences. So give us a call about getting a fence installed at your property. If you have been considering putting one up, they're great for privacy. They're great for if you got a dog, you got to keep the dog in. You want kids to be contained in an area. Fences are great. So give us a call. We'll be glad to chat with you all about that. Again, pine straw and mulch, always a great time to do that. Now's a great time to do that as well, so you can insulate your soil and your roots heading into winter and the cold months. And lastly, we're going to have a bloom update as usual. Sorry this is a little bit long. It's been a while since I've hit y'all with a video, so just bear with me for the rest of the video. We're almost done. Sasanqua camellias are fixing to bloom, and they're going to look really pretty. Those are a great addition to the landscape, always very nice. The encore azaleas are in bloom right now. The roses are on the tail end of their bloom. So there's a few other things that are blooming. Some of the lower pedlums are hitting their bloom, but if you want annual color for the winter time, then definitely give us a call. And mainly planting and fencing are the two huge things that we're going to be doing right now. So give us a call if you've been considering those things. We'll be glad to chat with you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll continue to appreciate your business and look forward to working with you through the winter time. Appreciate it. Have a good one.